What is up, guys? We are doing a couple things today. So I did get new mirrors. I got these from China. So they got hooked up and they're installed now. So they work great. They work phenomenal. They're much better than those like weird little anglet things or whatever. These things, trash, absolute trash. So they're gone. So we got these instead. Installed those already. That's whatever. But I also, it was my birthday the other day. My brother got me some boots. So very appreciative of him for that. And we did get 2 other accessories. So first up, we got this bad boy. This is like a Android Auto CarPlay thing, so I'm going to install that because that's just what I'm used to. It was on sale. It was like $50. It was like 60% off on Amazon, so hell yeah. And then I also did get the Amazon special lowering links, which we will go to install as well. So that's everything that we got. We're going to go ahead and install that. New thing on this video, I'm recording this on my brand new phone. It's my Galaxy Z Fold 8. So let's see, can you even see it? I don't think you can. Let's see. There we are, Galaxy Z Fold 8. So hell yeah. So I'm gonna try to do a video where I record and edit all in one device and see how cool it is. So yep. Okay, and I do already have this thing. I'm gonna get rid of that, but the nice thing about this is that I think I can just reuse that, and then I'll just put this like on a bicycle instead or something. But I can remove this like that, and this piece, we'll take a look at it. I've already set it up, but this is what it looks like. So, and it uses the same ball sized attachment. So we'll hook it up, and it has USB power. It also has like power for the battery, so you can hook it up via the battery instead. I'm not going to do that. And then it also has like tire pressure sensors right there. So a little gimmicky, but you know, we'll install them, see how they are, but we'll get right to it. Alrighty, boom. So install took like, I kid you not, probably like a solid like 30 seconds, mostly because I already had the mount on. So, but if not, you know, it would take you maybe a little bit longer. Alright, so this is what it looks like, all hooked up. It's not straight as can be. I turn over here, I turn over here. It's not bad. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna tighten that. And you can see the let me see, it's got the music already playing. It also still does show up there for my motorcycle, but yeah, it's I would say it's not laggy. It's kind of, I don't know, basic Android Auto, so like not anything crazy, but yeah, I like it. It's what I'm used to, guys. Why would you get CarPlay on a motorcycle? Because it's fun, because we can, and because you can. And for $50, I'd say this is a great gift. I'd say this is a great choice for someone who might want a little bit more usability, or maybe on an older motorcycle. I think this is a great option for someone who has an older motorcycle and wants to make it feel a little bit more new. So that's it for that. All right, so I got pretty much everything loose here. There's like
I don't know, I can show you. There's that guy that needs loosened, and then in the back there's another one that needs loosened. So those two come off, and then you have to jack the front and then the middle section so that you can release the tension that's on the spring so that you can maneuver things around. So yeah, I'm gonna jack it up in the front, and then we're gonna remove that stuff. Okay, so we got the old piece off right here, and it's a little tight to get it off, but one bolt with a nut. That's it. That's it. It's kind of difficult to remove. You have to like raise it in the middle, and then it releases tension, and this piece kind of like swivels this way or that way, and it creates space, yada yada yada. But we installed the new piece. There it is. We're gonna go ahead and tighten up the bolts, and then we're gonna lower it, and then we're gonna see what it looks like. Alrighty guys, so it has been lowered, and I just sat on it, obviously, and I can say that it is definitely lower. So I was able to sit with it like with my foot like completely flat, like regular shoes. I used to be able to like do shit like this, you know, but now I can like be like this and it'd be fine. So it feels great. We go ahead and we sit on it. Pause. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely a lot better. So you can see flat foot. It still feels kind of comfortable. And yeah, so, and we'll check out the CarPlay one more time. Pretty killer setup, not gonna lie. Hit Android Auto. Takes a second to communicate with the phone and the screen. There we go. But it's wireless. And then I still have a USB-C port, because I have an A and a C port on my motorcycle. But like I said, you can also wire this up to the battery instead. So pretty cool. Yup.